Married at 15, traveling the world at 70.
Fantastic ride.
In this video, we will show you memories of Italy, cooking memories, sunny Sicilian Vineyard, Christmas time is here, shopping and eating and exploring, a Sicilian foodie heaven, and eating with loved ones. At the end of the video, you will eat, breathe, sleep the cultures and foods of Sicily and Italy.
Come join us. You'll meet our friends. We have great friends in Sicily, and that's the way to live in Sicily. Live here, and you will love it. You meet so many great people. Ciao.
Like many of you, our dream was to live in Italy. We started in Rome, the eternal city, the Colosseum, the ancient Roman roads, aqueducts, and the food in Rome, the birthplace of Italian cuisine, is amazing. Wine is always good. I'm Joan.
Harry.
We're vagabonds with means. The world is our home. Join us as we explore Sicily, Thailand, Canada, and the world. Why is our channel called Wine is Always Good?
Our channel is called Wine is Always Good, not because we're always drinking wine, but as wine ages, it gets better. And that's how we feel. As we get older, we feel we're getting better. Correct, Johnny?
Correcto.
Ciao.
Ciao. We make videos about aging younger every day through food, wine, and travel.
Perfecto.
One day, while roaming the hills of southern Italy, we woke up in our hotel on the spur and decided, let's go to Sicily. It's only an 8-hour drive from Vieste to Taormina, and the rest is history.
That's okay. No problem.
Il mio amico Rosario.
They're trying to make me a Sicilian.
You gonna oil?
Full of wine.
Back in 5 or in 10?
We fell in love with Taormina, the most beautiful village in Sicily. Then we started cooking with our new Sicilian friends, Orazio and Loredana, on nearby Mount Etna. Farm-to-table recipes, seasonal products from the sea and land, the simple techniques, the all-inclusive charms of the Sicilian Table beckoned us. The experience of sharing the wine harvest with our neighbors, the views of the vineyards on Mount Etna's terraces enchanted us. After some time and following another dream of starting a vineyard, we planted 600 vines of Caracanti, a white grape variety at 750 meters, 2,500 feet elevation above the Ionian Sea on the terraces of Mount Etna in the Etna DOC, meaning designation of origin.
Friends, illegally? Illegally.
It's fine.
You must experience a December in Sicily. Christmas time is one party after another. We prepare traditional rabbit, attend village Christmas Eve Mass, high above the twinkling lights of Riposto on the Ionian Sea with bonfire and fireworks. Every month of the year in Sicily is the perfect time for a harvest and for shopping. We can explore the fish market in Riposto, the Tuesday market with food and clothing and antiques, many fresh fruit and vegetable markets and trucks. Small individual shops of every kind are in abundance. bakeries, butcher shops. On Thursdays, while our lavastone cottage is being magically transformed with Rita's magic wand, we spend the morning exploring the shops. Sicily's foodie heaven is a marvel to experience.
What is it? Not. Oh, from Catherine. Oh, she has.
Join us on our channel as we search for old recipes from nonas and nonos before they fade away and are forgotten.
Oh, a little bit of sausage?
The homemade pasta.
Mennonite style. Man on one corner. Got Loredana's blessing.
The culinary revival in Sicily is seen at home at the Sicilian Table. The Sicilian Table is filled with abundant homemade delicacies. On Sundays, friends and expats gather to cook, eat, drink wine and grappa, sing old opera, tell stories, and talk politics.
$50? No, $45. How is it, John? Good?
You did an amazing job. Kim, just alright? Guarda, gli altri dicono giusto,
E allora?